Some wakwa BM Emfa Emra Bedwam Jumedi so on Adom TV. Live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. So just gone by a mula. Minister man for Ibrahim. When we never paba. Said be a mekacho say also another draw. Live draw. E we are dumyenu and a yumreno senior. It's here bebem a day amount. Because a multimedia group limited near Dance Travels, Car Bank a Carbon, Ere Afe Car Bank Trade Summit, Ebro. The 2024 Car Bank Trade Summit. About so from October 25 to November 5, 2024. About so what Turkey and Dubai. So take advantage of these two countries. Send a jadi ekoso onum. Send me also jadi betimi etrena etimi etu empon. Open munchi mo kwa betimi afa so adu jadi betimi abeka eye 2024 jadi ebekoso e Dubai ho a. Free 0270 302 245 0270 302 245 and 0261 513 534 0261 513 534 and 0266 074 379. Car Bank also forward together. Best Brain Publications so any open mabetimi akenka beboa amada chi ewie payer if the Best Brain akachi. Wakofa mo maku nsia book 6 ono de aba ba ko ye creativity and imagination, student leadership, citizenship, critical thinking and problem solving. There be am kasa anwuma we or see a cheni free magana ni bia nya bikinkan. Critical thinking and problem solving, digital literacy, collaboration, communication. Sa books we nyina na campaign for agi atutuko bookshop bia o sabeka bi ato etufo enfrem 0507 200 200 and 0504 200 300. Best Brain Publications, tomorrow education today. And I wada. Nti I said ruonum biem. Fact check. Over me. So best as you be fact check here man for. En crofons ma yaka. Ne ye ntro, ne ye nokre. Ne ye ha ni ene ye kan ye. And I no pay more 3 claims. 3 claims. And I'm de ma wo. Na ya fact check claim bia make sure say near omukan no sa na etie ana odi bi ka ho ana se na ente sa akra na de boko de
nyame admo mini akwesi bia boko so so hoye
boko me so hoye pa. So another week with yes ya baba hwe claims out do over the week amanfo bi aye ye fi se betimi akorrect na ya set record no extra. So ye claim one area
and they claim one ye mampanyi dada John Mahama.
Okay.
Because you know CMPSO Energy Sector Forum on the 13th of September at Alisa Hotel. Okay. Okasana no see well, ono krowa be mu nkane asem no ohwe so yi na offer free baby e de kodru baby ansa na o free aban mu.
Yeah.
Na figures no ana ye hwehwe mu no na ensem ni bi wa kan no ankoyi.
Okay.
Enti no etiefo betimi ahwe de mampanyi Mahama e kan.
So yen hwe former President John Dramani Mahama claim on the energy sector.
Capacity to augment the existing plants. Ladies and gentlemen, we made remarkable progress in the power sector during our administration. By 2016, we had increased Ghana's power generating capacity from 1,810 megawatts to 4,292 megawatts, laying a solid foundation for a stable, reliable, and resilient energy system. This was not just about boosting numbers, but about securing a long-term energy future and things around by increasing generation capacity to augment the existing plants. Ladies and gentlemen, we made remarkable progress in the power sector during our administration. By 2016, we had increased Ghana's power generating capacity from 1,810 megawatts to 4,292 megawatts, laying a solid foundation for a stable, reliable, and resilient energy system. This was not just about boosting.
Okay, so former President John Dramani Mahama say flag bearer Adema NDC for 2024 presidential elections. So not ni claim ni fact and say.
Okay, nti hwehwemu yefa Energy Commission of Ghana. Amo document bi omo frɛ no National Energy Statistics. I'm releasing in 2021. Okay. Now, I don't know, I'm a review of energy statistics from 2007 to 2016. Now 2016 document no ka say in 2016 the generation capacity was 3,795 megawatts.
Okay.
Until Mampenny 4,292 no. And no correct.
And correct.
And 3,795.
Okay.
Documents no that screen.
It's you be who send radar no ever call the so the radar actually will take us to force. Say former President Mahama Echantro.
Okay.
A small kind no correct. Claim number 2.
Claim number 2 Beatrice Anan or Okasama Mampenny Mahama. And same one me and social media and who saw the video behind them. Akoto in say ni aso I fight against Galamsey.
Yeah.
But the can say and Fabi Bia da and to social media. And Beatrice the videos be to social media. Me sure say was screen so. Or the kotu watch say Mpenpensenmu ka say 2024 Kintampo Water Force just say I poto and so now very married. Na yentimi nhwe man this year the NPP say yensuo sa nti hu video ne say oh Dubawa ne Adom e be nhwehwemu nti ye hwehwemu nti ye search baby a video ni free ye search na say video no obi post on Instagram first time I post on Instagram na 10th October 2023 nti first of all video no 2024 a video
yeah
na
say we fetch so TV so video no and that honum no. So we are doing a 2016 and 2024 video. But video that can once say insurani a year pato no a year 2023. Okay, not
and year 2024.
Okay.
And then secondly, and year Galamsey na ama Kintampo Water Force. Video na Kintampo Water Force.
Okay.
Na nipa obi call Kintampo Water Force as a tourist. I know post here say okoye de insurani aye ni. Ba nchemu ni. Nchemu ni say insuo to kese a. Insurani ehono.
Okay.
Enti hu a obeka se
ebi obi ye Galamsey na dey say
sir enti Beatrice oposti in the context of Galamsey na ama insurani airport antisa
okay
ye nhwemu na antisa first of all in 2024 video 2023 and then a heavy downpour in so to e man so ne ani hu no na ma na isa ne ne Joy News Bruno East correspondent Kasai no so o minya me kra me ko ho na nsia na ani ntisa na te se de ye nchemu ka no senso to gidigidi a e man so nani ye den ehu no it is a Beatrice e dey video we koto honom e kire se 2024 na Galamsey sense na mana esa misleading. So
that's okay say no enye true no enye false by misleading and so han ani eno ka asem so it was true senso no e Kintampo Water Force but enye no kire se Galamsey ne ma enso nani eseye but because as a result enso ta to na say enso bu fasua ene ma enso nani etayes and Beatrice anan lawyer you also NDC am yokom no also small kind no enye no kure otwantro our last claim
it's the air can say you go about to me
yeah
and same baby be hu nyama baby on social media abetin same baby already so be hwe nyama baby e o TV so ya onhwehwe mu ansa na abeje dia waje di ya onhwehwe mu ansa na abehye awaye den wa share so hwe na eya onya fama adomfo de ma Dubawa ya be nhwehwe mu ne de ho mwae abram Tuesday or radio so Thursday or FM so na ya ko claim 3 na yeah yera Dr. Mark Esibe Heboa or interview be on TV3 business focus okasa na o make claims bebre okasa about inflation budget deficit any nyama ya share figures ni bi na say ebi won ma anya no kra obetimi about video na
okay e ya share Dr. Mark Esibe Heboa former chairman the parliamentary committee on finance as what kan on focus on TV3 here's a video here.
But what is it now? I'm telling you how the economy was on a good footing and all of a sudden COVID struck and because of that things went haywire. Now the things have been brought. Inflation is now 20.4 on course to hit the 15 by end year. First quarter GDP growth this year 4.7%. Okay, the deficit has done 2.4% first half of the year. So I see the numbers and I'm encouraged.
But you still took us to the International Monetary Fund.
There's nothing wrong with going there.
There's a lot wrong with that.
No. Really? Are we not members of the fund?
Really? Members of your government, members of parliament of the NPP for the very first time in history.
Yeah, but what is it now? I'm telling you how the economy was on a good footing, and all of a sudden COVID struck, and because of that, things went haywire. Now, things have been brought. Inflation is now 20.4, on course to hit the 15 by end year. First quarter GDP growth this year, 4.7%.
So the entirety they say the Dr. Kaino, and so enye no cre. So not
Dr. Semno Kaino or make bad 3 claims. Inflation figure no 20.4 no. Correct. Monaco. Development no 14.7 year correct. But budget deficits now can 2.4 no.
Yeah.
Honey age now.
Okay.
Pre budget deficit for the first half of the year now. 3.7%.
Okay.
And no. Doctor SB Eboa and correct.
But I say not next week. You better sign not a share beam on fact check. Jumedi so ebra self e me kobo kese ba ko beto sade ba ko say how man cancer yade na at the fair dia Ghana National Association of Teachers 24 ISA obofu to be dia to abo se de be ya a chechire for wo me wo dom nat eko no onso betimi enya emwasa because Ora Thomas Asante Armstrong board chairman the Nat Cancer Foundation sa so na Henry Nyamechepoku board member the Mat Foundation pen for boko there
Nyame Adom
chairman mam sha say fam so the botai for this cancer foundation there
me no ameda say ya botai nyina ne say enemre no ohwe say na cancer is dear teacher for your members nya and wedding intinati for 1.4 years say dia yenye foundation ye de bebo cancer no ho bra a teacher for e benya cancer no ye betimi apekwan ye besa omo yare say na munim dada no not for Ghana National Association Swedish Ghana Medical Center ye hospital ye de sa cancer yare enti na ehu behia say ye betu anamompa ye de besa omo yare na omo ni bi nso no ye behwehwe omo nipadua ma hwe say ampa omo wo yare no bi ana omo ni yare no bi onim beje atum say yare ni ehunu ntem a to ase a enye den na won hu ne ntem de na enyini duru ba bi a na akwa management obeya wabo kakwa na nipa na frame nti vat yare na ha teacher for ye and intinima nat mpayimfo 2 years you say yenhwe na yentu sa na mo no na yemre yare na se kra.
Okay, nti Henry enhwe apart from putting up this foundation together dear na nat eye emprempren e de aboa members.
Okay, so see I know say not ankasa no welfare services bibra ye woman teachers na health services adibia eka ho edimu akotene pa eno achi no so ye legal services render ma ye members na ye trade union services ye render na babia sisia no ye gina ankasa no health services because you say your wealth is your health is your wealth.
Yeah.
Na chese wa hoden a wo no ene kire usika na ase wo bamba a wo enu nti ye hu se kokram yare ne ye yare a ye members over 260,000 membership no higher it is a higher there first of all send chairman kan ye no Sweden Ghana Medical Center wo Adenta nat property ho ne treat cancer no but in prempren no membership na nkasa no contribute monthly.
Okay,
se kobase ebitu obia nipa na oye contributor no ono ankasa ne yire ana ni kunu ena ne mamienu a omundim bro fie dumotwe.
Okay,
omo ntimi fa ne se nipa 9
yeah,
ena 5 cedis na member no contribute no cover omo
retiree
o de no so to nchen just 2022 year na National Delegates Conference higher decision making body no ejitu mu se ye members or retire from 2022 eba no ya huni se nipa no retire we a pomudin sem no kofom ona yare no wo pa ntie form so enkan you see me no kasa over 288 retirees a omo no mumpia dues no bi omo na agi treatment and not ebo omo ka e na ba center also ayo teachers as actively omo trade I see omo agi treatment no over 2600. And I see almost OG treatment. We nyina kan bi na ya hu say even though city chani no born ho modern say no no asem no to na obenya ayaresa but ni sika no entumi mwa ono nko ama ni nye treatment no it is a sad ya ne yentin si monte na ya ne amanfo nkasa
Chairman, see, I can say not members say they are affected by cancer.
Sisia make us say in Nipa 2,666. Come Mpenpensenmu. Active.
You mean cancer? Almost 3,000.
Yes. Yeah, Sisia make us say Omoja Yarhe.
Regions be the most affected.
Say party regions region I be wo, but say central region, Greater Accra, and Ashanti region, any Dikampa. Voter region so just a region no but be anywhere.
Yeah.
Obekwa nipa base 100 in the cancer.
Hey,
The least cry Upper West.
The list.
The new Upper West. And also cry no.
Yeah. Enti na cost of treatment no na ehuna ye no. Eno nti na ye di mrika best restre.
okay.
Because ohwe teacher ni mfie du kra da ka tue ntimi treat cancer. Kwa kra miare no ne konre din ne boe din just nipa baako che ne yamo ne ho kakra ye 45,000 Ghana cedis. Nipa baako eno de kra ne ya atufo bo.
Ena mo hwe nipa 2,600.
Yes. Ena ne yabo ne ho kapa so ye 250,000 Ghana cedis. Che tetiska no 2.5 billion Ghana cedis. Enti Osha teacher ni no be den etua.
It on average not to spend about 170 million Ghana cedis on 2,600 teachers.
Yes.
Oh, we do some for Badwam. We do some for Badwam. Hey,
That's it.
now with these regions, you know, Central, Ashanti, Greater Accra, is it because of one, a better education hub of the nation? Because Central region, can say a Hona Ghana, the people. Greater Accra because the regional capital. Ashanti region because of the population and because of the pressure now on.
Okay. One, you share teacher population areas you are boy.
Yeah.
Omodoso.
Sure.
I know you one factor. Two, you have facilities so a whole regions here ya Kenya. And also a factor. Because there ba kon ye hu ye say nipa no nya access to hospital. A obey checks na. Ni team detect here or for treatment. Okay. But baby onya access to facility. Emien detect no. E bi kure won ho but MP. Na there no so to nchen wo hwe areas ya bobo nyina na 2/4 dozo.
Yeah.
Inti time bia na manipa no move ko. Na there ba ko say realize here say regions no. Obi won ma e bi obunu region. But during vacation obeba Ashanti region.
Yeah.
Oba na detect here quickly also oba center. Until bisa na o say me wa Ashanti. Ubisa o say me was central. But ideally ube ko na bia na wa migrate.
Okay.
Na akon nti these are some of the factors. Na e bit to say Greater Accra. When we say industries no those one.
Yeah.
Nti emissions no so
e was
through. Nti ni nyina count na ma numbers no e cost sa no.
Come a bit me afa so Badwam.
See ade ya destroy ne say Ghana for diplomatic corps. Just obia ministers, MPs, obia meboayen. Go ohwe teacher ni ni mai mo aye den.
Yeah.
Kwan ya fa so trade teacher. Na teacher ni no be ye adwuma wanya experience ai so oboa no. Na cancer ya re high. Enti esresre ankrankre bia se momoayen na ye ntimi mofotfo kese a ye de beye apomodin hwehwemu awo kokramyare no ho because eno na first point of call say itimi hwehwe ankrankre body numa na obi antentem ne yasa no na say ye ntimi na yare ne kwa animu a na akoye management well when him say there wo hwe chances are obewu nso just one hwe na onyeyi
chairman
na ne ya de say ye call center wasi yesu ani se ohwe ni papa abusuafo gu ne ho sika ni ho
maybe one day the amanfo the ahwefo be rest center na omahwe
Sure.
They will appreciate and come on na yedin chairman be that say
yeah.
Yeah, so that's an pay. So we give back young. Even I be understand na. I'm because watching no pa sectoral debate eba so e wa Accra Guitar Center. enti yɛnhyia ɛhɔ na yɛnkɔdi nkɔmfa for my Ghana